The flu has left its mark on Erie County this season, setting a new high for the number of cases. According to the Erie County Health Department, the county reports a total of 4,518 cases as of today. The Erie Times News reports the previous high was 4,449 cases, while numbers provided by the county put the previous high at 3,885. Now, on the plus side, the county health department's newest numbers shows 64 cases of flu reported last week. That's down from 125 the week before.